In the fast-paced world of industrial machinery manufacturing, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. That's where Epicor Kinetic ERP comes in. Industrial machinery manufacturers face significant challenges in today's rapidly evolving market. To stay competitive, businesses are increasingly adopting new technologies to automate processes, reduce waste, optimize production, and achieve faster lead times. Epicor Kinetic is designed to streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and drive growth. But what makes it the perfect fit for industrial machinery manufacturers? Epicor Kinetic offers flexible solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're managing complex quotations or intricate production schedules. With real-time data analytics, you can make informed decisions faster, monitor performance, track inventory, and optimize production processes with ease. Collaboration is key in complex machinery manufacturing. Epicor Kinetic ERP enhances team collaboration with integrated project management tools, ensuring everyone is on the same page and costs are controlled. And when it comes to supporting your customers, Epicor Kinetic has you covered. Its field service capabilities ensure your clients get the help they need when they need it. Let's dive into some of Kinetic's standout features. Advanced Planning and Scheduling, APS. Optimize your production schedules and manage resources efficiently to meet customer demands. Product Configuration. For businesses offering custom products, the configurations can be endless. Epicor CPQ enables fast, accurate quotes through your sales team or via self-service. Cloud-based flexibility. Access your ERP system from anywhere with a secure, scalable cloud solution. IoT and AI integration. Leverage advanced technologies like IoT and AI to enhance operational efficiency and predictive maintenance. Join the thousands of Epicor industrial machinery customers who trust Epicor Kinetic to power their manufacturing operations. Experience the difference today. Epicor Kinetic ERP. Made with manufacturers for manufacturers.